Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send USDT from KuCoin to MetaMask. Now it's quite easy and simple. First of all, make sure you have a KuCoin account. So click on this KuCoin application. Just make sure you are logged into your account. Now in order to send your USDT, head to the assets menu in the bottom right corner. Scroll from the overview to your funding or your trading accounts, and once you are in funding, and you found the USD or either of them, simply click on this withdrawal option. So click on withdrawal, and then once you selected withdraw, simply scroll through and select USDT. With USDT selected, where we have wallet address, network, and withdrawal amount. Now these are all the criteria that need to be filled before you can send out. And now make sure you are sending your USDT or any other cryptocurrency in the lowest network. I believe that's the best way to send it out, but you could select specific networks of your choice. In order to get the wallet address that the USDT depends on the network you are working with. So let's click on the network and then find the fees that are attached to this network. Now the cheapest network here is, in order to send out of KuCoin, is this one, as you can see, KuCoin community chain. So click on it. It holds some of the lowest fees and has some of the lowest minimum withdrawals. Now all you need to do is now add an address. To minimize, open up your MetaMask application. So once MetaMask is opened, up here where we have the optimism drop down at the top of the screen, click on this to change your network. Select the BNB Smart Chain. If you can find the BNB Smart Chain, click on Add Network and you will find in the list of popular network. Otherwise, you have to add custom through the custom networks option via this network, RPCL, chain ID, symbol, and Blur Explore URL. So select the BNB Smart Chain. So remember that we are not sending BNB, we are sending the Tether USD, which is the USDT. So click on this option, scroll through and click on receive, and then simply copy your address. So once you have copied your address and open up KuCoin, paste the address here, and then there we have minimum withdrawal amount. Simply enter the amount you wish to withdraw, and then you have to simply click on this withdrawal option. By doing this, you will successfully withdraw your tokens from KuCoin over to your MetaMask account. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.